In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs landscape. We'll do this right inside the Google Docs mobile app, so you can quickly switch a document from the default portrait layout to a wider horizontal view that's perfect for tables, spreadsheets pasted into docs, wide images, and slide-like handouts. Start by launching Google Docs on your phone or tablet. Once the app opens, go ahead and open the document you want to change. You can pick it from your recent files or browse your folders. Either way is fine. If the file opens in a read-only preview, don't worry, we're about to switch into editing mode. Look to the bottom right corner and tap the edit icon, the small blue pencil. This puts the document into full editing mode, so layout options become available. If you don't see the pencil, you may not have edit permission for that file, or the document might still be loading. Give it a moment and try again. Next, head to the upper right corner and tap the More icon, the three vertical dots. From the menu that appears, choose Page Setup. This is the control center for how your pages look: margins, paper size, and, most importantly for us today, orientation. Inside Page Setup, tap Orientation, then select Landscape. Landscape makes each page wider than it is tall, giving your content more horizontal breathing room. On mobile, this change applies to the entire document, not just a single page, so everything will reflow to match the new width. To apply the change, confirm and return to your document. On Android, tap the back arrow to exit Page Setup. On iPhone or iPad, tap Done. Your document will refresh in landscape right away. If text or images look a bit different, that's normal. Line breaks, tables, and pictures may reposition to take advantage of the wider page. A few quick tips as you review the result. Zoom out to see the full width, especially if you're working with wide tables. Check any headers and footers to ensure they still look the way you want. And remember that collaborators will now see the document in landscape too. Page setup changes are saved automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. That's it. Launch Google Docs, open your file, enter edit mode, go to More, choose Page Setup, pick Orientation, and set it to landscape. You're all set for a wider, cleaner layout that fits your content.